Prospecting data means pulling new people and companies out of a sales intelligence tool and landing them in your CRM as brand new leads. And that's the key word, new. This creates records rather than filling out records you already have. That's a different job from enrichment, and it needs a different setup. Get it right, and a saved list of targets becomes a queue of leads a rep can start calling. Get it wrong, and you flood the CRM with duplicates, dead contacts, and people you aren't allowed to reach. So why use a direct integration instead of just exporting a list to a spreadsheet? 2 reasons. The first is freshness. A spreadsheet is frozen the moment you save it, and contact data goes stale fast. A direct sync pulls from a source the provider keeps refreshing. The second is duplicates. Re-importing a list of people who might already be in your CRM creates a second copy of each one, unless the import checks first. There are 3 common ways to bring prospecting data in. 1. A native connector. A pre-built sync that pushes a saved list straight into the CRM as leads, no file in between. 2. A browser extension. A one-click button on a prospect's profile that adds that single person to the CRM the moment you find them. 3. And a bulk import. An exported list, but matched against the CRM on the way in, so it dedupes instead of duplicates. But moving the records in is the easy part. 3 things decide whether it stays clean. First, matching. Every incoming prospect should be checked against existing records before a new one is created. Second, suppression. This is the step a prospecting tool can't do for you. A third-party database doesn't know who opted out or who's on your do not contact list, so new leads have to be checked against those lists before any outreach. Third, accuracy. Data quality varies by provider and decays fast. So a fresh, continuously updated source beats a big but stale one. Here's how Census CRM handles this in a healthcare context. New prospects here are referral partners and the organizations around them, not patients. So prospecting data stays on the business and referral side of the system, away from anything connected to a patient's care. New leads land in one pipeline tagged with their source, matched against existing records, so a partner you already know isn't duplicated, and fed into lead management where a rep works them. So where do you start? Don't sync 10,000 prospects on day 1. Start with one saved list and one method. Pick the single target segment your team actually works and get that list flowing in as leads, with matching turned on so nothing duplicates. Once one clean list flows reliably, scaling up is just repetition. If you want to see where a net new prospect lands and how it becomes workable pipeline without duplicating what you already have, contact us today to book a demo.